Hi there, my name is Ferdy Korpershoek for WordPress.com, and in this video I will show you how you can create a webshop with WordPress using the plugin WooCommerce. I will show you how to create a webshop with a submenu, with categories. I go to the shop. I'm going to show you how to create 5 different products. A simple product, a variable product with more sizes and more colors. A service product, you don't buy anything but you buy a service. You can add it to the cart, you can even make it a sale. A downloadable product like an ebook or a song. And an affiliate product. I will be showing you how to create categories and subcategories. How to get a sidebar in your shop with a price filter. Where you can filter what you want to pay. And based on that, it will be shown what you can buy. With a cart over here, if you buy something, it will be added into your cart. If you don't have anything, this will not be visible. An overview with product categories. I will show you how you can rate products. And you can see reviews. How to add shipping costs based on the weight, the total amount and the location of the buyer. How to pay with PayPal or credit card. And how to add coupon codes. If you like what you are going to learn in this video, please like the video, and if you want more videos like this and learn new things, please subscribe. So let's get started. If you want to know how to make a website like this, then you can follow my other tutorial. I show you step by step how to make a WordPress website exactly like this from the beginning till the end. So you can follow that. If you don't want to do that, then just follow me along in this video. The last thing I need to say before we begin, I use the Enfold theme. It's a premium theme which you can download at WordPressKing.com at themes. But you also can get along very well if you have another theme. So what we will do, we go to the backend of our website, WP admin, and we have to log in. Then we need to scroll down to plugins, add new. We are going to search for WooCommerce. Press enter. And it's the one that is downloaded the most, over 1 million times. So we install it now. It's unpacking, it's installing, and it's successfully installed. Let's activate the plugin. Thank you for choosing WooCommerce. And I say, let's go. Let's configure some settings. Here's the page setup. WooCommerce needs to make a few pages. The shop page, the cart page, the checkout page, and the my account page. We want to do that right now, so we click on continue. After that, they will ask us where the store is located. It's in the United States, in California. You can change the unit for the weights, kilogram, gram. I leave it at this one. And also the product dimensions can be centimeters, millimeters, meters, or just inches. I leave it like this. Continue. This step I will skip. So I skip this step over here. I will come to this later. The payments I will also skip for now. And then we are ready. If you want to help WooCommerce, who is giving us this awesome plugin for free, then we can allow them to see some information on our websites, which can help them to make an even better plugin. We can create our first product, but first I go back to the dashboard over here. Return to the WordPress dashboard. And I scroll down. I go to the WooCommerce settings. We see a few things we just did. The currencies. You can change the separators by a point or a comma, number of decimals 2. That's all okay. So if you want to change settings from here, you can do that over here. But for now, I leave it as it is. Let's set our shop into our menu. So I scroll down, go to appearance, menu. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And I have to go to shop, add to menu. and I can drag it over here after the blog. I can change the title into shop or store. You can call it however you want it to be called. I save it. I go in a new tab to my website, and here it is, the shop. We see nothing, no products were found. So let's make our first product. We can do it over here, new product, or if I close this one, I go to WooCommerce, and below that is products, add a product. I'm going to show you how you can make 5 different kind of products. I will start with a really simple product, which is a sweater. Only one size, one color. So I call this one WordPress King Sweater. I scroll down, leave this empty for now, and go to the product data. You can choose here what kind of product you want. A simple product, a group product, external affiliate product, or a variable product. You can also make it virtual or downloadable. SKU. This is the stock keeping unit. You can give it a number or whatever you want. For now, I call this 00001. The regular price will be $29.95. If we want to, we can make it a sale, but for now, I won't do that. What I will do now, I will save this product. I will publish it. And now we can view our product. I will view it in a new tab. And this is our product. ferdykorpershoekmedia.com/product/WordPress King Sweater. Here we should have a picture. Here's the title. Here's the price. And here you can select how many you want to add to the cart. If you do that, you can view the cart. Here it is, the cart page. Here you can change some things. Proceed to the checkout. Here you have to fill in your billing details, total, the payment option, and proceed to PayPal. That's how it works. But I close this one and continue to work on the product. We are going to add a picture. We can do that over here. Product image, set product image. I go to upload files, select a file. I go to my desktop to web shop, sweater, and here it is. This is a sweater. I'm going to use a WordPress King sweater. I open this one, and what I want to do for the search engine optimization, I am going to remove the dashes over here at the title, copy the title and paste it in the alt text. That is good for the search engine optimization. Set product image, and when we update it and we take a look, it's looking like this. You can click on it and it's looking quite nice. Press this one or press escape, and let's continue. Over here, there are 2 places where you can put some information about the product. Over here, below, or we scroll down over here at the side. I update it, refresh the page. Over here at the side and product description below. It depends on the product, but I almost never use this one. So I go back to the backend and I delete this text. And here I can type some text about my product. You can say whatever you want about your product. And if you save it, then you will see it over here. So what I will do, I will make a category. The category is merchandise. I add it. And below, there's a new one. It's called sweaters. And the parent is merchandise. So merchandise, and below that comes sweaters. So you can also have merchandise, t-shirts, merchandise, shoes, whatever you want. I will scroll down. I go to inventory, and here we can manage the stock. I have 10 sweaters over here. And if I save it, it will be shown 10 in stock. When people buy a few and add it to cart, then the stock will decrease to 7 and so forth. It's a really simple product. There are no sizes, no colors. So what I will say in the title is size L. It's the only size we have, the only color we have. In the next product, we will add multiple choices like the size and the color. But for now, it's only a simple product and it's looking quite nice already. The title, the price, some text, how much you want, add it to cart. We have 10 in stock. This is the SKU number, categories, merchandise and sweaters. This is the image. But what I want to do when people hover over the image, I wanted to show the back of the sweater. So I go to the back end, scroll down, and it says over here, I don't know if every theme has this, but I can select yes, show first gallery image on hover. I scroll down, go to the product gallery and add 2 more images. Upload files, select them, and I want to select the back and the side. I open it. And what I will do again for Google, select it, scroll down, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Hold Shift and select them both, or Command or Control. And I add them to the gallery. And the first one is the back. So if I hover over the image, the back should be visible. I update it and here it will not hover. But if I go to the shop and I hover, then you will see the back. You can click and you can go to the picture and you can select this picture. Go to the right with your arrows or clicking here. So that's the way to add multiple images. This was our first product. Let's create our second product. I update it once again. And now I say new product. And this time we are going to sell a t-shirt in different sizes and different colors. So I call this one WordPress King t-shirt. The SKU will be 00002 and the regular price is 14.95, but this time I sell it for 11.95. I make a new category. Over here at new product category, I call this t-shirts. Parent category, merchandise, and add it over here. I also select merchandise because it's a parent of the t-shirt category. It's not a simple product, it's a variable product. And if I click here, see what happens. There comes a new tab over here. Let's go to attributes over here. And we can add an attribute. I add one and I call the attribute size. And here we have to enter some values. So I start with small, a pipe, medium, pipe, large, and extra large. 4 sizes. Visible on a product page and used for variations. It's important to select those both and save the attributes. I will add another attribute, add, and this one I call color. And the colors will be black, pipe, or white. Also this one. So save the attributes. Now we have to go to variations. And if we do some math, there are 4 sizes and 2 colors. What kind of mixtures are there? Small, black, medium black, large black, and extra large black. And the same goes for white. So there are 8 options in total. So if you go to variations and select create variations from all attributes we just made, go. Are you sure you want to link all variations? Maximum of 50 per run. We have only 8, so I press OK. 8 variations added. OK. And now we can expand them all. Click over here and don't be frightened, just get used to it. It looks like a lot of information and it is, but it's quite simple. What we need to do, we can give them their own SKU 0000 free and call this 1. I copy this, do the same here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Why do we do that? If you get an order with SKU 000038, then you know, okay, it's extra large white, and then you can go to your storage place and grab the right t-shirt. If all SKUs are the same, then it will get messy in the stock overview. So every variation needs its own SKU. Okay, let's add an image. It's a black t-shirt, small. Click here, upload files. In my case, I go to t-shirts and I have 4 over here. The back of the black, the front of the black, the back of the white, and the front of the white. I select them all, open them. I do the same again over here. And I select the black one and the front. Here it is. Scroll down and here's white. So we have to select the front of the white. Here we have black again, black. Scroll down, white, white, black, white, black, and the latest one, I guess, white. I save the changes, and if I scroll up, default form values are a large black t-shirt. I go to add variation, go to set regular prices, go, and enter 14.95. Okay, yes. And now we see 14.95 everywhere. Do a different one, add variation, set sales price, go, and that one is 11.95. Okay. Let's save it or publish it and view the product. And the default one is large black. We decided that. And if I say large white, it becomes white. You can click here. It looks amazing. Unfortunately, those t-shirts are not existing. What we see here, it's a sale. It was $14.95 and now it's $11.95. But what we can do, maybe you want the extra large t-shirts to be more expensive. So then I go back to the backend, variations, expand. I scroll down to the XL, extra large. And I change the price to $12.95. And also the black version of the extra large, $12.95. I update it. I refresh the page. And now it says between $11.95 and $12.95. I choose medium, black, and it's $11.95. But if I say extra large, it's $12.95. So you can change every variation individually. I change it back to 11. Same goes for the white one. 11. So this is how variations work. You can add even more attributes, but it's all up to you. The last thing I will do, it says now 10 in stock. I go to the backend, to inventory, and I don't manage the stock over here, but I will manage the stock individually. I go to variations, add a variation and say toggle manage stock. Now every variation will have their own stock. Maybe you have 5 t-shirts of every variation. So go to variation, add one and say stock of everything, press go, will be 5. 5 small t-shirts in black, 5 small t-shirts in white, and so forth. Expand it. You see stock quantity of everything is 5. Update it. Refresh the product page. Now it says 5 in stock. If I buy 5 large black t-shirts, it will be out of stock. But if I go to black t-shirts, go to medium, it will still have 5. Here you can see some related products. We have to do one more thing. Go back, scroll down, go to product hover and say yes. Go to the gallery and add the shirt from the back. And after that, these two. Update. Refresh the page. And here you see the other t-shirts. Okay, go to the shop. And we have 2 products. Front and the back, front and the back. This one has a sale. This one says add to cart or show details. This one says select options because it has multiple options. Okay, let's add our third product, and the third product will be a service. Maybe you want to sell something which is not tangible. You can go to product and make it a Skype call. Maybe you have some really valuable information and people are willing to call with you for money. So you say Skype call of 1 hour. I scroll down. It's a simple product, but it's a virtual product. 0,000 free. The regular price, of course, is $129.95 to talk an hour with a person, but for now it's $79.95. And I only want it to be for this month. So the 2nd of February till the 29th of February. After that, the sale will be gone automatically. It's a service, so I add it to services, edit. And what I want to do, if I save this or publish it, and I take a look, then I can call 10 times with the person, but I don't want it. I want it to be maximum 1. So I go to the backend, scroll down and go to inventory and say sold individually. I select that one, I check it, update it, and now it just says add to cart like this. Let's add a picture, scroll down, product image, upload, select the file. I go back to webshop, services, and here it is. Please don't laugh, but that's me. All those products are non-existent, by the way. Update, refresh, and here you have it, the Skype call of 1 hour for only $79.95. Let's go to the 4th product, a new product. This is a downloadable product, so I also made a fake ebook. It's called ebook, how to make a website. I will add a new category. It's called ebooks. Add a new product category. And what I forgot in the latest products is to have a description. So I will make one now. I scroll down. Okay, that was it. It's 00005. The regular price is 19.95. It's a virtual product and it's downloadable. I have to add the file. The file name is ebook how to make a website in WordPress. And the URL, I can choose a URL or I can choose a file. I will upload a file, select file, go to webshop, downloadable product, and this is the ebook. Open it, change this, insert, and it's not in WordPress, it's just like this. I can add another file, maybe a song. You can also sell songs. Maybe you're a guitar player with a beautiful voice and you like to sell your own music. Then you can do that also. You can upload an MP3, whatever you want. Download limit, no limit. If they buy it, then they can come back the rest of their lives to download it. And the download type, it's a standard product in my case. Let's add a product image, upload a file, and here again, it's me on the cover. I don't know why, I was just having fun with myself. And here it is, my book that does not exist. Open, and I guess I still can paste it, yes. Set product image. Ebooks, publish. View product, and this is it. Also here I want people to have the option to buy only one. One is enough to make a beautiful website, sold individually. Bam. Update and refresh. Yes. Okay, let's go on. The latest one, and this one is the one you have been looking for, I guess. The affiliate product. What is an affiliate product? An affiliate product is a product that someone else has made, and if people buy the product or that service through you, through your affiliate link, then you will get a commission. So let's make it. Add a new one, a product, and it's called Insta Builder for WordPress. I scroll down and it's a external affiliate product. I do not own this. I call this 00006. And here's the product URL, and here you have to fill in your link. I have it over here. Affiliate product. Here is my link. I copy this one and it's through ClickBank, and this is my code. So if someone goes to that website like this, ClickBank sees it comes through my account here, Ferdy Corp. And if somebody buys this, then I get a commission. So here's my link. I will paste it. The button text is more information, and let me see what is the price. Let me say 77. Okay, let's add a image, upload it, and here it is. Set product image, and you can put some information here. We want to make a beautiful website very easily and get this theme. I have to say I never used it. I was just searching for an affiliate link, so I don't know anything about this theme. Okay. So, add a new product category. I call this one themes or WordPress themes. I publish it. I view the product. InstaBuilder 2.0, InstaBuilder for WordPress, $77. I want more information and I go to the website. If someone buys it, then I got commission. And there are websites that have more than 2,000 products and they don't own one of them. It's all affiliate marketing. Update, I did already, I guess. So now, if we go to our website, go to shop. What I like about this theme is that you see this everywhere. And this is how it looks like. What I like about this is that the image is kind of cropped. You see this image is wider. You only see a square. Same goes for this one and for this one and this one. Only this one is not. So if you add images, of course you can buy plugins or free plugins to make it a square, but I rather would do something like this. Go to the file, save it, open it in Photoshop, go to, oh, I'm sorry, it's Dutch, Canvas, and make it as high as it is in the white. Okay, save it as a PNG. InstaBuilder for WordPress. And then I go back, I say edit product, scroll down, remove product image, add a product image, select InstaBuilder, copy this text of the title, delete it permanently, and upload it again. Go to the desktop, in my case, 436 by 436, open it, add a title, and in the alt text, set product image, update it. And if you go to the shop now, you see it's looking better already. Not in all cases it's mandatory, but what we will do, we go to the backend, we're going to add a plugin here. And because every theme has different way of displaying photos, we have to regenerate all the photos in our website. Add new. We're going to do that with the plugin regenerate thumbnails. Install now. Also, more than 1 million users. Activate the plugin. And this will increase the image size. And go to Tools, Regenerate Thumbnails. You can read how it works exactly. We also can go to the Media Settings Tools. Thumbnail size, I want it to be bigger. 500 by 500 and 1200 by 1200. I want to increase the quality. And I don't like this, but that's not for now. Save changes. And now regenerate all thumbnails. It can take a while. Okay, it's done. It took, I think, 5 minutes. What you can do, it's not mandatory, but you can go to WooCommerce, Settings. You go to Products, and the tab Display over here. And then you go to the second option, Shop Page Display. Right now we see the products, but you can also select by categories and subcategories. I save it, and if I go to the web shop, you go to Shop, And now we don't see products, but we see categories. The ebooks category, 1 item, merchandise, 2 items. If I click here, you see the sweater and the t-shirt because they're both beneath merchandise in the categories. So I want to give these categories an image. I go to the backend, I scroll down to products and go to categories. I close this tab. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the all in a new tab. I press Command or Control and click like this. For each category, I'm going to find an image, a thumbnail. I'm going to upload it here. It's ebooks, so I use this one. You can do whatever you want. I press Control Tab. I go to the next one. It is merchandise. I take the white shirt. Next one, sweaters. I take the sweater. T-shirts, I take the black t-shirt. And WordPress themes, I take Insta Builder. I update them all. And if I go to the front page and to the shop, but actually I don't like this way of showing my web shop, so I go back to WooCommerce, settings, products, display, and the second option, put it back to show products. Save changes. What I want to do, I refresh the page and now I see the products again. I want to put the categories beneath the shop menu item. So I go to the backend, I scroll down to appearance and menus. I scroll down and I'm searching for product categories. I select them all, add them to the menu and put them beneath shop. I can put them here, then they will be in the menu. I don't want that, so I drag it to the right like this. And now it's a sub item in the menu. Sweaters are also a child of merchandise, so they go more to the right. Same goes for t-shirts. And then services again like this, and ebooks and WordPress themes like this. I can make it all capitals and I will fast forward like this. I save the menu, and if I go to the home page and I hover over shop, then you see merchandise, services, ebook, WordPress themes. If I go to merchandise, I can choose between sweaters and t-shirts. If I choose sweaters, I see all the sweaters. It's only one. This is the thumbnail image for the category sweaters. And here is the sweater. That's how it works. So if you go to the shop, you see only the products. But if you hover over the shop, you see the categories. What I want to do, I want to create a sidebar. I want to edit this page. I cannot do that from here because this page is the shop page. You only can change it from the backend. So I go to the backend, to pages, and I select the shop page. I scroll down, search for the shop page, and at the right I scroll down and I select sidebar settings, right sidebar. I have to choose one and I have to choose shop overview page. Update. And if we watch this page, there's a sidebar, but there's no information. So go to the backend, go to appearance and click on widgets. I will scroll down and select WooCommerce price filter. I click once on it. I scroll down to shop overview page. Scroll down again and add the widget price by filter. That's okay. I scroll down again. Searching for the WooCommerce cart. Click on it, shop overview page and add widget. And the third one I want is an overview of the categories. A list or drop down of product categories. Add widgets. We have 3 widgets now. The first one is a price filter. The second one is an overview of our cart. You see what you have in your cart and you can hide it if it's empty. I save it. The third one are product categories. Order by name. We can do it as a drop down or the amount of products we have. And that's okay. I refresh the page. We can filter over here. We have a cart. This is all we've got in the cart. If I want to view the cart and I remove everything. Now my cart is empty and I go back to the shop page. Now you don't see a cart because it's empty. And as soon as I add something, it will be added over here. So how does the filter work? Filter by price. The cheapest thing is $11, $11.95, and the most expensive one is $79.95. So if I say I want to spend a maximum of $30, I drag it over here and I filter it, and everything above $30 will be gone. So only $99.95, $29.95, and $11.95. What if I want to spend between $20 and $30? Then I drag this up to 20. I filter it. And only this one is visible now. So that's how that works. And drag them up. Here you can order by name or by price. You can choose how many products you want to see. Well, we only have 5, so it's no relevant option right now. So that's how it works. Now we have a beautiful shop overview. If I hover, you see the back. I can click, see more information. I can go back to the shop, filter things, see what's in my cart, choose by category. So that is great. If you want to have more items in a row, go to the back, go to WooCommerce, settings, and go to products, go to display, scroll down, and here you can have the column. You can choose how much product you want on one page or the columns. So if I say 5, they will become very small and in one row like this. Well, I think 3 is perfect. Like this. So what's next? If I buy this, I add it to my cart and I add another one and I add another one. I go to the checkout and I scroll like this. What I see, the total is $109.80. I can choose to pay with a check or with PayPal or credit card, but I don't see any shipping fee. So let's configure that. Go to the backend, go to plugins, add new. We are going to add a shipping plugin, which is called table rates. WooCommerce table rate shipping by Mango Hour. Install now. Calculate shipping costs based on destination, weight and cart total. Activate the plugin. And now we have to go to WooCommerce, settings, to the tab shipping, and we have to enable shipping. I save it, and if I refresh the page, it says shipping. There are no shipping methods available. So shipping is activated, but we have no shipping method available. So go to the backend again, and we have just installed this plugin, table rate shipping. We can click here or click here. It's the same, and when you click on it, you can configure the plugin. We're going to enable this, and the title is what you will see over here. You see the title and the costs. So if I'm planning to ship with UPS, I leave it at UPS. I type in UPS, tax status, taxable. You can add a handling fee. I do not add a handling fee. And you can add shipping zones. You can assign different prices to different places in the world or in America. I leave this blank for now, and I go to the shipping rates. I add a shipping rate everywhere else based on the weight, on the pounds. I can say total, but if somebody buys a digital product, I think it's not necessary to charge them shipping costs for that, because we will not be shipping anything. So based on the pounds, the minimum of 0 and the maximum of 0.49 will be $1.95. I don't know if this is accurate, but I'm just explaining how it works. The next one, between 0 and between 0.99 will be 3.95. And the next one will be between 0 and 1.99 and will cost $5.95. Save changes. So if we go back to shipping options, we have enabled shipping, we have enabled UPS, and I drag this up. I save the changes, and if I refresh the page, you see the costs are 1.95. That is because it's between 0 and 0.5 pounds. But there's no weight at all yet. We have to assign a weight to this. So I don't want to charge people for something that weighs 0 pounds. So I go back to the backend. I go to table rate. It's now here at the front. I scroll down. I make a new one. And this will be from 0 till 0.01 will be free. So I refresh the page and now it's free. It's because this is a total weight of 0 pounds. Now we have to assign a weight to every product we have. So go to the backend and go to products. Because we have a few digital products and services, this has a weight of nothing, and these two we have to assign something to. So go to quick edit, scroll down, and here at weight, I'm not sure how much a t-shirt weighs, but I think 0.10 pounds, maybe. And I save it or update it and go to quick edit. And this one is a little bit heavier, I think 0.25 pounds. Update. And now let's see what the shipping cost will be. So 3 times 0.25 pounds. That should mean it will be $3.95, I guess. And here we see it's $3.95. So if I go to my cart and I go view cart and decrease this to 1 and I update my cart and I go to the checkout, that means it will be $1.95. If people are buying a lot of stuff, I want to give them free shipping. There are 2 ways to do that. So let's go to the back end, to WooCommerce, settings, shipping, click on table rate and scroll down and we can add two more things. The shipping rate can be based on pounds. So let's say between 1 and 1.99 people pay $5.95. But if their total weight will be more than 2 pounds, 2 till unlimited, then it will be 0. I will add one other thing. If people buy a minimum of $100, I will give them also free shipping. So total based on dollars from 100 till unlimited will be no shipping costs. I save it, and if I refresh it, this gives no cost at all, but this does. So if I go back to the cart and I add a few more, you see the total amount will be more than $100, and that's why it's free. So if I remove the ebook, it's $149. If I make it 3, then it's a total of $98.85. This will be the cost, but if I add one more, then it will be above $100, and then shipping cost will be free. What you also can do, if you scroll down, you can make shipping zones. So for instance, you sell to the Netherlands, and you scroll down and save it, and you scroll down again, add a shipping rate, select the Netherlands, and the weight between 0 and 2 will be $13.95. So if somebody buys something from the Netherlands and it will be sent to the Netherlands and it's between 0 and 2 pounds, the cost will be $13.95. What else can we do? We can go to a product, and for instance the t-shirt. If I scroll down, people can give a review. I will copy this link and I will log out. I will paste the link again. I scroll down and go to the tab reviews. Now you can add a review. I can say, I really like this t-shirt. I have the white one and sleep in it every night. Since I bought it, I have nice dreams. My name is Jim the Boer. And I submit it as a visitor of the website. And what do you see? You see your comment is awaiting approval. So if I log in again, WP admin, I go to comments, I see there's a new one, and then I can approve it or reply. I approve it, and I reply, good to hear that, Jim. Reply, and I go back to the t-shirts in the web shop. You see there's a rating now, one customer review. You see the review and you see our reaction. That's how it works. Let's add a payment method, because if I go to the checkout, I can choose check payment or PayPal. So go to the back end of the website, go to WooCommerce, settings, and go to checkout. Now there are a lot of options to pay with, and I only want to use PayPal and credit card. I go to check payment and I enable this. Uncheck enable, save it, I go to PayPal and change the title to PayPal or credit card. Description, pay via PayPal or credit card. This needs to be your email of your PayPal account. So this is mine. I have a PayPal account on this address. I scroll down and I save the changes. Now if I go to the website and I want to proceed to the checkout, and I filled in my stuff and I select PayPal, it's automatically selected because it's the only option. Proceed to PayPal, and if you have a business PayPal account, you probably have to pay a little fee every time somebody buys something. Now I can log in over here and then I can pay, or I can click here and pay with my credit card. And that's how it works. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you did so, please like it below the video. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe. Then I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.